What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy JD Trades, and I'm back again with another pre-market open analysis video. As always, guys, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. Now, let's see what this week's game plan is. Let's see how we are, what this week's targets are going to be, essentially. Okay. Right. Without further ado, let's just get straight into today's video. So at the moment, I do have, Euro USD up. Now, Euro USD, there is a little bit of a setup forming for EU. If we turn our attention over to the weekly time frame, okay, essentially all what's happened for Euro USD is we've had a pullback into this weekly imbalance, and we can see here that we've had a drop down lower. Now, with this drop down lower, we actually didn't take out the objective of the week slash objective for the month, okay, which was the previous month's low and also this most recent swing lower low. Okay, now there's one or two things that can actually happen this week is we pull back up and then we eventually do come for these lows, or we pull down and then we continue rallying for these highs. Now, when we turn our attention over to the daily time frame, we can also see here that we do have some pretty nice areas on the weekly, or sorry, the daily time frame to look for some potential shorting opportunities out of this area here. And when we turn our attention over to the hourly, we can see, okay, that we are currently maintaining this bullish structure, okay. And in terms of last week, Friday, what we did during Tokyo was we took out the low, okay, right? Once we took out the low, we started rallying to the upside. We currently got this 1 hour imbalance sitting inside of here. Now I want to see us actually hold this area, hold this level. So potentially we get a pullback into this hourly candle as well and then get a buy move, or we just hold the hourly imbalance and then get a move to the upside. Okay, now looking deeper into the daily candles that are marked out here, we also have these two hourly up candles which can be sufficient enough for a move. Okay, but in all honesty, I'm more so on the side of actually seeing EU potentially go for some of these highs here, the consolidation that was left behind, and that's due to the dollar, right? At the moment, we do have a divergence between Euro USD and the DXY. And what do I mean by that? The DXY actually made a new higher high, right? Whereas Euro USD, if we go to the daily time frame, you can see instead of Euro USD making a new lower low, right, which is the mirror image of the DXY, we can see here that it's actually failed to make a lower low. Okay, so that is a sign of potential reversal in the market. Okay, so if you guys don't know that, that's a little tip for you there. So either ways, okay, early doors, we should get a pullback and to look for buys on Euro USD mainly. We'll see about these other majors as well when I look at the likes of gold, etc. But mainly, it is longs that I'm looking for in terms of Euro USD. Okay, I think Euro USD has got a pretty good potential to actually give us a move early doors this week. Obviously, we do know that it is Christmas on Wednesday, so we're gonna have a little bit of a quiet week, and by a little bit I mean mainly a quiet week because the market does pretty much close on Tuesday. Okay, there's early close on Tuesday, so we're only going to get tomorrow to actually really partake in the market. Okay, next up is going to be for gold. Last week we had a very strong turnaround on gold, which was quite interesting, but nonetheless it's absolutely a-okay. Okay, so with gold failing to take out its most recent low that it created, which was the target on Friday, we need to anticipate gold heading up higher. Now, there isn't a very clear setup at the moment for gold. We just need to see how it's going to open, right, come market open, and also print on Monday. But to be honest with you guys, it's not really a week to trade. If you are going to trade, okay, try to find a move on Monday, but Monday is pretty much going to be the only significant move you are going to get. And the reason being, most brokers will have a early close around midday for Christmas, okay, on Tuesday. Monday is going to be pretty much the only full trading day that we have this week, and Wednesday we do know that it is Christmas, the birth of Jesus Christ. And Thursday we've got St. Stephen's Day, we've got Boxing Day, so markets are also going to be closed for the most part. However, we do have some initial jobless claims for the dollar on Thursday, so it does look like a Monday and a Thursday type of week. And we'll take a look at Friday to see if price wants to give us anything. But other than that, that's the main points. It's mainly focused on Euro USD and looking a little bit at gold, but the majors do look really good for this week. I will post the updates inside of my Telegram. Link to my free Telegram is in the description box down below for those of you that are wondering. And with that being said, thank you for listening and watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.